Not even fair.
So first off, sorry there's no audio. I'm going to get another GoPro to keep on the bike, and I will start syncing up the audio with the drone footage. But anyways, this is a P1000 right here. I've never seen someone drive it aggressive like this. Super impressive that something as powerful and torquey and as massive as a 5-seater side-by-side can be driven like this. Almost like a Razor, right? Very awesome. And everyone has clutch issues, right? This guy's on a stock setup, never had any clutch issues. So unless you don't put them on really huge tires and ruin them, they work great. But yeah, that was a lot of fun to watch. The P1000 was killing it. So here's the Sportsman. Super impressed with it. Exceeded my expectations. Really good power. Pulled different wheels off the ground all day long. The belt worked great after I sealed it up. No, belt didn't get wet all day, even in all this water. And its belt snorkels are stock. The only thing I snorkeled was the engine intake, just get a little more airflow and stuff. But I mean, it's shooting a rooster tail on 30-inch CST sledgehammers, which is like a 45-pound tire, and it's bone stock clutching. So this is a very strong bike with a very good low gear. The CST sledgehammers, this is their first time out at Whole Paw. I really like them. They're not outlaws, but they're way cheaper, and they did almost as good, honestly. That's my friend Chrissy on her XMR 570. Only Can-Am I've ridden with more than once, and it hasn't blown a diff or a rear belt or done anything else really stupid. She does hate how it shifts, but other than that, it's a pretty good bike. You can see right here the sledgehammers, they like to spin, which is kind of good in a belt drive because they'll save your belt. I think an outlaw might have walked through this hole in two-wheel drive a little easier. I hate to admit, I did like the power steering because my bike is so wide with the wheel adapters. When I had turned the power steering off for a little while, it was very annoying. Yeah, I'm getting soft. But Sportsman did awesome. You can see how easy it wheelies right here. If you don't ride the handbrake, which is a combined brake, this is what will happen. Unfortunately, that did crack the rear rack, which is plastic because it's Polaris and everything's plastic. But here's where it all went wrong. Letting it eat right here, and pow! Broken axle. The inner cup actually broke in half, which is a very annoying way to have an axle break because it makes it really hard to get home. But, you know, stock axles with a lift kit on 30s, I was asking for it. This is a Yamaha 450. I got to ride this. Really a ton of fun to whip around on. He almost eats it right here. I love this corner. Boom, 2 wheels, back on the gas, slides through the corner. Yes. Little jump action. This thing sounds great. I wish I had some audio so you could also hear it. But yeah, crashing into the tree trying to keep up with it.
Ooh! Mash out! Dude, that is awesome. I told you the mud's good right now.
Hey, point that back towards your face. You got like you look like a football.
Do a water wheelie.
Yeah.
Water wheelie.
Go straight right there. You think you can do a water wheelie now? That's the heavy stuff. There you go. Nice. Oh, there we go.
That's called skeg. That's not good.